Thanks for checking out my video. I want to show you my little kitchen cleaning setup and what I use for cleaning around my house. It's kind of a very minimalist. I'm trying to be very zero waste, eco-friendly lifestyle. So I really want to delve more into the zero waste aspect of, not using plastic straws, not using plastic cutlery, not using a lot of throwaway stuff. There are certain plastics that are great if you use them for many years, but not the kind of you go out to eat and you get a plastic throwaway fork and then that's it. So I want to delve more into bringing my own forks if I have to go to a fast food place and using that, so I could just reuse it when I get back home, wash it and reuse it, as opposed to constantly throwing things away. It's just too much waste in this world. And a lot of things aren't being recycled, so that's not good either. So I just want to show you my very kind of minimalist setup for my kitchen and what I use for cleaning around my house. Now I do own a green certified cleaning business, so even at my clients' homes I use very earth-friendly, green-friendly, natural cleaning products that work great, and so I use that at home too. So let me just show you what I like to have here in my little kitchen setup. I like using thieves cleaner for cleaning around the house. This is a 2 caps to the 30-ounce ratio, so it's a lot more orangey color. If you use just the 1 cap to 30 ounce, it's not as dark as a color. I like to have a little stronger dilution, and then as it goes down, I just fill it up with a little bit more water. Some people even put some vinegar in it to just make it last longer. That's fine too. You can put essential oils in it to play around with the scent, a lot of different options. But what I love about an all-purpose cleaner is that I can use this to clean windows, stainless steel, tile, marble, granite, leather, wood, everything, because it's pH neutral, so it doesn't hurt anything. I can even spray my fruits and vegetables with it when I run out of my veggie wash, and it comes out great. So it helps kill off any bacteria, and it's just a great all-purpose cleaner. So yay, because like that, I don't need a Windex, I don't need a stainless steel cleaner, I don't need a dusting cleaner, I don't need a bathroom cleaner, I don't need a kitchen cleaner, I don't need like a air room freshener, because this really smells great, so it could be like a room freshener. So I've just cut out like 6 or 7 bottles just with one. So that's a plus. I got my little little scrub brusher in here, and I love these little washable cloths from a local store in Pennsylvania. I'm sorry, a local mom in Pennsylvania. She has an Etsy store and a Facebook page called Growing Green Minds. So she makes a lot of eco-friendly cloth products. So these are just washable, reusable little dishcloths, and I also have them in our shower, so for body wash. So those are our little cloths. I have gotten into using soap for washing dishes, and it's fantastic. So I made another video, I'll put the link down below, about how to use soap for washing dishes. So I made a video to show you how to do it. And I love buying soap. I love trying to support local soap makers as much as possible. So I like buying our soap from Poconos soap. This one, Clarine, I don't like that it comes in plastic, but there's a reason for it, I guess, because it comes from Portugal. And I guess shipping, with cardboard, I don't know, but it comes in plastic. So I'm not a big fan of the plastic, so that's not good. But the reason why I wanted to get this one is because if you're Portuguese, Clarine, and it comes in the blue and white, or even has a pink and white, which has like a rose scent. The blue and white reminds me of an oceany scent, and this one's the original. It has a very, very fresh, it reminds me of like walking through a pasture after it's rained, and it has that nice fresh dew scent. That's what it reminds me of. Anyway, this company's been around since the 50s, and when I used to visit my relatives in Portugal, I remember growing up, and my aunt used to hand wash the clothes over the sink, over the washboard, and we'd use this and just rub a little bit, and then it would lather up, and you just wash off all the stains, and it worked fantastic. So my husband went to Portugal the other day, and he got me a bar of the soap, actually 2. So I have that one here for dishwashing, And then I just have an extra, and it was less than $2 for this gigantic bar of soap, which is fantastic. So I have to find out what the ingredients are. A friend of mine told me that they're natural ingredients because it's been around for over 50 years. So it's natural soap ingredients, but I want to just find out exactly what they are. What I love about it is that it doesn't feel greasy after I've washed the dishes. It just washes off perfectly, and it leaves everything smelling nice. And then if I want, I could just rub my finger on it and then just wash my hands. And now I don't even need like a separate bar or a separate thing for washing my hands, because now I already have my soap bar. So it's perfect. So check out the other video where I talked about using soap for washing dishes. You want to have, you want to try to find very natural based ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, not very heavily synthetic fragranced. And they work great. It's fantastic. So, but I wanted this because it's more of a nostalgia thing with me, with my Portuguese roots, and I just love the smell. So yay for soap. And this will last me forever with this bar of soap. Then I also like using dishcloths, or I'm sorry, not dishcloths, hand towels for kitchen paper. So instead of kitchen paper where you just rip off a sheet, wipe something down and throw it out, or you know, to clean something around the house, or even for eating, just get a nice pretty dishcloth or hand towel, and then there you go. Then you can just use it. You can clean your mouth with it while you're eating, or clean up a spill, and it's great, and it's much prettier, and it will last you years and years, and you don't have to constantly always go out and buy more Bounty and constantly go out and buy paper and, you know, cut down more trees and all that. So just go to the dollar store and get yourself some nice hand towels and some dish towels, and there you go. You can wipe your mouth, your face, wipe down counters, wipe a lot of stuff, and then just wash it, and you're good. And one more thing I like to have is for scrubbing power, if I need more scrubbing power, I don't like Comet or Ajax. They're very toxic. Did away with that years ago. What's a good supplement? Not supplement. What's that word? Option. I guess that would be the word I'm looking for. Substitute. That's what it is. Duh. A good substitute is baking powder if you need an abrasive. Barkeeper's Friend is good too for scrubbing off hard stains on pots and pans and metal and jewelry, and that's been around for like 50, 60 years too. Barkeeper's Friend. It's not very eco-friendly, so it does not get a good rating on the, you know, earth-friendly watch, let's say. But if you want to get an eco-friendly version of Barkeeper's Friend, Bon Ami. Bon Ami is an abrasive powder, and abrasive meaning it's powder. So, but it gets an A on the environmental working group, so it's a lot better for the environment. So that's a better option than Barkeeper's Friend. So Bon Ami has like a little picture of a chicken on it. Actually, I think I have some down there. I just didn't take it out. Or baking soda. And I like to make a baking soda vinegar paste. My first time I did a baking soda vinegar paste with thieves cleaner and some essential oils. And then I did this one I did recently, baking soda with EcoSense. I had an EcoSense sample of cleaner, and that came out really good too. So I have it in this jar. And you can use regular vinegar, or my girlfriend had given me this Myers. Why did I open it? It's not like you could smell it. I wish you could, because it smells so good. It's the lemon verbena vinegar gel. I believe it gets either an A or a B rating. I can't remember what the rating is, but it's a vinegar gel. So it was just more because she gave it to me just to try it out, and I really like the scent. So I use that in my baking soda formula mix, and it makes it a nice, thick, pasty cream if I need, you know, a kind of like a creamy thing like that. So if I wanted to clean something and I needed a little bit more of a pasty cream, I could just grab a little baking soda cream thing right there. So that's a nice little option to have on hand, and it's super easy to make. And I'm going to make a video, and I'll link it up here so I could show you how to make the recipe. So it's really awesome. You can use it on tubs. excuse me. You can use it on tubs, sinks, any kind of like ceramic. If you need a little scrubbing power, it's great. I would not recommend using it on marble or natural stone, only because it has vinegar in it. And even though it's blended and it's creamy, vinegar is acidic, so I wouldn't chance it. Especially I wouldn't chance it on my clients' homes. If I wanted to play around in my own home, but I don't have like marble anyway, so that's fine. But if you wanted to play around and see how it works in your home on marble, do a little spot and see how it would work. But I would not recommend it if you're doing a client's home, because you don't want to risk marble on natural stone or on wood. So a little baking soda goes a long way with a vinegar mix. Great scrubbing action. Ditch that Comet and Ajax. Go with something natural and better for you. And then, you know, I got my soap and my hand towels, and I'm pretty much good to go in my kitchen and my cleaning spray. And that's it. That's really my kitchen setup. And then when I need to clean my house, I just get my cleaning bottle and I just spray away and go to town. So that's how I do my little minimalist, eco-friendly, happy-go-lucky, minimal waste, minimalism kitchen. So if you have any questions or comments or tips, or let me see how you do yours, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to link up down below where I got the my reusable dishcloths that I also use in the bathtub too, for like body cloths, body wash. And let me see what else. A couple other links. I'll link up whatever I have. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.